We didn't grow up thinking that things that we read in sci-fi we would actually be working on. To actually making it walk, make it do something useful, it's probably the most fun I've ever had. So right behind me is a robot called Phantom. The goal of the robot is essentially to build something that can interact with the world that is humans do. There's close to about 500 unique parts in the robot, and a lot of them get sourced from different places. We have close to 30% of them that still come from China, and then the rest of what are coming from the US, Mexico, Australia. Actuator together all the way up to making the robot walk. Step one in the process is ring pin housing press, which essentially is a part of us building the actuator. Actuators are your motors and gearboxes that you use to be able to actually move the robot. So after we've put ring pins in place, the next thing is we just start assembling the gearbox. We're placing a position encoder into the actuator. So now we are solving it needs to be able to speak to the computer. Given it's a humanoid, we want to be able to put the neck and head together. We have about 6 cameras moving the robot so we have a near 360 view, which is not only important for the robot to be able to see the task really well, but then also to be able to see the task safely. Now we're starting to put the torso together. That's pretty much the upper structure of the robot. What we do is we start attaching the arms.